How does traceroute work? In computing, traceroute and tracert are computer network diagnostic commands for displaying possible routes, paths, and measuring transit delays of the route is recorded as the round trip times of the packets received from each successive host, remote node, in the route, path. The sum of the mean times in each hop is a measure of the total time spent to establish the connection. Traceroute proceeds unless all, usually 3, sent packets are lost more than twice, then the connection is lost and the route cannot be evaluated. Ping, on the other hand, only computes the final round trip times from the destination point. Before running a traceroute command, you should understand a network mechanism called time to live, TTL. TTL limits how long data can live in an IP network. Every packet of data is assigned a TTL value. Every time a data packet reaches a hop, the TTL value is decreased by 1. Another key element to understand is round trip time, RTT. Traceroute ensures each hop on the way to a destination device drops a packet and sends back an ICMP error message. This means traceroute can measure the duration of time between when the data is sent and when the ICMP message is received back for each hop, giving you the RTT value for each hop. To better illustrate this, let's say you run a traceroute and specify a maximum of 30 hops. Traceroute will send packets with a TTL of 1 to the destination server. The first network device the data passes through will decrease the TTL to the value of 0, and a message informing you the packets were dropped is sent. This gives you the RTT for hop number 1. From there, the data packets are sent to the destination server with a TTL of 2. As the packets pass through the first hop, the TTL decreases to 1. When they pass through the second hop, it decreases to 0. The message is sent again. This gives you the RTT for hop number 2.
Discipline with the content. Parental discretion is advised.